Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into this video tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be covering how to use IPFS add URL plugin for the Bubble no-code platform. It's super easy to use, and in literally just a few clicks, you have a functioning IPFS integration into your web app. What you see on the screen here is an empty Bubble project. Before we do anything with the page design, let's talk about what IPFS add URL does. As the name suggests, IPFS add URL lets you upload any file URL onto IPFS, which is a form of decentralized storage. With this sort of functionality, it makes sense for the page to have an input field to input the URL and a button to upload to IPFS. Let's add that onto the page. So here under the design tab, I'm going to navigate under input forms, input, click on the page. I'm going to resize this to make it look nicer. And I'm going to add a button to upload. Okay, let's name these accordingly. Okay, great. Now the next step is to actually add the plugin. So under this tab over here, I'm going to navigate over to plugins, add plugins. In the search bar, I'm going to search for IPFS. Okay, this is the plugin right here. I'm going to click install. And once installed, it's going to show up on my installed plugins page. So let's take a look at IPFS add URL and let's see what sort of things are here. So here you can see that there are two actions, IPFS add and IPFS add JSON. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll be just looking into IPFS add, which is the most straightforward. So let's go ahead and add this functionality onto our button. So let's go click here onto our button and click Start Edit Workflow. Okay, so this opens up. So when the button upload is clicked, let's add the action. Let's navigate under plugins and go to IPFS add. So here under IPFS add, you have one data input, which is the data URL. So let's add that in there. So click Insert Dynamic Data, input user URL. So this is whatever that gets put inside the input field, and we're going to go the value of it. All right, so that's done. Great. So we add the functionality, and let's go ahead and preview it. So this is our page. So let's try uploading a file onto IPFS. So I want to do this one. Okay. Let's click it over here, paste it in, and let's upload. Okay, and it's done. Okay, yeah, so basically, I know that you're probably thinking that nothing has happened. So let's do a few more things to add a few more things to this existing app to give some more feedback to the user that our file has actually been uploaded. So when a file is uploaded onto IPFS, it actually outputs an CID, which is kind of like an identifier for the file, as well as an IPFS URL to access the data. Let's output these values to verify our file has been uploaded. So under the design window, I'm going to go under groups, add a group. I'm going to rename this group CID. Okay, and I'm going to give it a text data type because we'll be outputting text. Okay, so now that we have a group, let's go ahead and add some text into our group. Okay, and then let's go insert dynamic data, CID, text. Okay, so now let's add the functionality to that. So actually, before we do that, let's add the second one just to be more efficient. Okay. Okay, name this IPFS text. Okay, great. So now let's go under workflow. And then we're going to go click over here, add an additional action. So under we're going to go under elements action, and we're going to click display data type, display data. And under the element CID, I'm going to output the CID. Okay, over here, I'm going to do the same, but with the IPFS URL. Okay, great. Now let's run that again. So let's refresh the page. Paste in the URL and let's upload. Great, now you see these two. So this is the CID, this is the identifier for the ID for the file, and then this is the URL. And actually we can double check that the images are the same by just copy and pasting this URL into our browser. See, the picture, there it is. So that's it, IPFS integration in just a few clicks, really easy. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you have any other questions. If you prefer the write-up version of this tutorial, feel free to just check this Medium article out, which basically details everything that's been covered in this video tutorial. Thanks for watching.